Man, I'll tell you what, when the roads are soaked, slowing down isn't just a suggestion. That's what this driver out of Fresno, California learned, and it's one of the most important safety decisions a driver can make. In this dashcam video, a semi-truck is traveling down US 287 in Texas during heavy rain. Based on the way the tractor reacts, it appears the trailer may be lightly loaded or even empty. As the truck crosses a bridge expansion joint, the drive tires lose traction, and in an instant, the tractor hydroplanes and slams into both sides of the bridge. Rain dramatically reduces the amount of grip your tires have. When a tractor is lightly loaded, there's less weight pressing the drive tires into the pavement, making it much easier to lose control, especially at highway speeds. Bridge decks and expansion joints can become especially slick during heavy rain, increasing the risk even further. This crash is a reminder that the posted speed limit isn't always the safest speed. Professional drivers should reduce their speed, increase following distance, and avoid sudden steering or braking inputs. And remember that lighter trailers often require even more caution in wet weather. Later, y'all.